Cześć, mam na imię
Hi,
Robert.
my name is Robert, and today I'll show you how to select the materials for a heat exchanger and choose accessories. I'll demonstrate this using a plate and frame heat exchanger as an example. Click here on single phase selection, choose plate and frame, and click next. Now, I'll fill in the fields with sample data for the selection. After entering the data, click Calculate. Cairo has now selected heat exchangers. Below, on the black bar, you can see the one highlighted above in the list. When you click Select on the right-hand side, you'll see all the available options. You'll find various choices for the frame, plates, gaskets, and connections. Below these options, you'll also see additional accessories available for this specific exchanger model. In this case, we have insulation, a drip tray, a shroud, sleeves, and bearing nuts. For the frame, there's also an additional option. If you click the eye icon here, which is currently crossed out, 2 additional frame lengths will be revealed. This feature is useful when a customer plans to expand the exchanger in the future. They might want to purchase a specific structure now, to which they can later add another set of plates. After finishing the configuration, click back. Scroll down, and you can print the selection. I hope this was helpful.